Hi you guys, welcome to Lavonns.divinetouch. Today I want to show you my portable chair. So this is what it looks like. It's got this. It goes up, it goes down. And it's got this one, it goes up, it goes down. And now I want to warn you guys, I have got my finger stuck in there and oh my gosh, it hurts so bad. So please be careful when you're going to put it up. This is the bottom of it. Put my light on it. So this is the bottom. Excuse my home. I am moving, you guys. So this is the bottom of it. See, on caution, I got my finger stuck like literally right in there. You guys, it hurt so bad. So what you want to do is you want to get this side. You see how you pull it in the middle? And then it comes with like this little back. So this is good for makeup artists too, because you can put your brushes and stuff right there. Super cool. And it's got this little pouch back there, but you want to tuck that in, close that, and then it's got this. So you can like put that on your back and carry it. It needs to be closed all the way. Trying to show you guys the best I can. I'm a one camera man, woman. You just pick it up and it's super light. You can like carry it with you. It's perfect for mobile stylists. And I mean, it's absolutely comfortable. Let me show you guys how to undo it. Set your chair up. You want to use these things in the middle, I promise you. Don't touch anywhere else. You want to kick that down. Okay, well first, I guess. I literally got my finger stuck in there. This thing's kind of tricky. Yeah, you want to push this side down and this side down. Do not, I repeat, do not put your fingers anywhere else because they will get stuck. Just trust this part down here. Put your foot on there, and if it's not kicking, just push harder on this part. You can see where my hand is on that part. I got this chair on Amazon for $195. It's really comfortable and I think it's definitely worth every penny. I will leave the link in the description box down below. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and have a wonderful evening.